Crude oil started the week forming a double top at 74 and now trying to reverse it appears 74 is providing it a very good resistance. It is moved towards 73.97. Last week also we have seen it moving towards 73.95 towards the last trading session, and now hitting the zone it is trying to reverse, while it is the natural gas which is opened with a gap up and hit 3.4 before now trying to reverse. So what to expect from oil and gas, how we can profit trading oil and gas today, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel in the world to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels such that you can profit trading throughout the day. So, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. One very important thing to note for oil is the double top. It has formed at 71 and now it is very clear straight away. You can say if oil trades beyond 74 levels, you can stay bullish. Second thing, what is happening? You can notice after every rise, it is followed with a retracement, rise and retracement, and it has come down towards 20. So this 20-50 period moving zone is going to provide it a little support. And thus, if you see now oil trading below 73.2, you can take a selling entry, expect 72.8 and 72.4, while it is only to be treated bearish if it trades below 72.4. Notice critical support zone. See what is happening. Notice this. Every time it is trading within this channel and every time it is taking the support and trying to bounce back. So it is very important for oil to trade below 72.4 in order to confirm the bearishness today. The stock has come to an oversold zone. The MACD and RSI is still looking downwards and suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to the two on the 2 hour chart, similar observation, rise retracement. Every time it is taking the support from the 20 period and trying to bounce back. Moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness, and now it is looking downward. So possibility is there that once it trades below 73.2, 72.8 zone, you can expect more bearishness. And if this zone is taken, then 72.4 is the going to be most critical support. Notice that I have noticed, look at this, it is trading in this channel and it is very important to come out of this in order to confirm bearishness. Stochastic looking down, see MACD after a good rise, now it has crossed over looking downwards, suggestive of slight bearishness. RSI has dropped. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, if you see the 3 hour charts, the double top here, and after forming the double top, look at the preceding candle closing at the bottom, current candle is starting on a bearish note, which means more bearishness should prevail and which suggests that there is a possibility of a move towards 73.2 72.8 zone, which is going to remain the prime support below which you can expect more bearishness to prevail. So it is very crucial for oil to trade below 72.8 and then 72.4. Notice moving averages are trading with divergence, staying below, looking, and now a crossover here is what will confirm the. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropping from the overbought zone. Likewise with the MACD hitting at the top, now crossing over here, trading with divergence, is staying bearish. RSI also coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See, forming double top is now prices are trying to drop here, and now we can say that once it stays below 73.2 and 72.8 zone, we can look forward to more bearishness, and if it drops below 72.4, that is a confirmation of a reversal. But what I have noticed in the last few trading session is every time a dip comes, it takes a support and tries to bounce back. So 20 period moving average is now going to be very critical, and that is where 72.8 levels are going to remain important. So still 72.8, you have to be cautious here with the sales. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is trying to crossover for a sell. The RSI is coming out of the overbought zone as well. Coming to daily, now look at the daily charts for oil. Look at how it has been trading. Drop, retracement, taking the support, again a second round of rise. Now this is the channel in which it is trying to trade, and this is trying to create the wave here. See, this is the first leg, this is the second leg. Now a possible retracement can be expected. Also notice the moving averages crossing over here is definitely a good bullish sign for the near term, but it does not mean that it cannot retrace towards what level. See, 71 and 70 is the zone it can try to hit. Now today is going to be one critical day. Remember, the day started with a double top here and it is trying to drop. I will wait for the candle to start, and once it stays below 73.2, you can expect that the movement might take it towards 72.4 in lower levels. And now a buying entry on the upside is only I will recommend if you see it is staying above 74. When you see it's oil trading above 74, remember what did we discuss? 74.5, 75, which is a gap filling exercise which it might to do, and then 75.8, 76. Yes, it is definitely going to do this possibly in the next few sessions, but before that, it appears today it might try to retrace. That is what is the expectation here. If you look at the stock, I think this is overbought. The MACD rising, the RSI is at top. So considering this, now I'll recommend you to sell here at 73.3. Expect 73, 72.8, and then 72.4. Below this, you can expect more bearishness to prevail towards 72, 71.5. That is the next support zone, and then below that 71. Take your positions accordingly. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry only and only you see it is staying above 74. And before I provide you the complete levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Buying entries are very clear at 74. Beyond the 74.5 and 75 level should appear, and then 75.8, 76 should be the next target. This should happen, but it appears today is not the day. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural. What Netgas did is formed a support at 3.2, and now today it has given a gap up here. I will wait for it to stay above 3.4, 3.42 zone, which will be a confirmation of his further advancement towards 3.5. As I have discussed several times in the previous update, that now is net gas is under retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. It could retrace, and now this is the channel which it needs to break, which means now it is very very crucial for net gas to trade above 3.6. Once it stays above 3.6, you can say this is the breakout here, because see, after the rise it is forming a flag, and once it breaks out here on the upside, that could confirm the next move towards 3.9 and plus levels. The moving averages are starting to converge here, which are right now on the sell side. The prices have just retraced towards the 20 period, and this is a phenomena for net gas, that it always tries to move back this zone again, tries to take the main direction. So let's see if it breaks out beyond 3.6 any point of time. But yes, for the day you can buy at 3.4. Stochastic at top, MACD hitting the bottom. It is now forming a bounce back pattern. It is trying to rise. Breaking beyond this, you can say a stronger rise can be expected. This means 3.4 level should be a good buying entry. RSI coming out of the oversold zone, coming to 2 on the 2 hour chart. It appears Natgas still has further room, see, because it is formed a reversal. It is given a gap up. 3.4, 3.42 is important. Beyond this, you can expect 3.45, 3.5, and then beyond 3. Again 3.54 and 3.6. So these are the levels which you should watch out for on the upside. Right now it is under retracement. Possibilities there that we can see 3.4, 3.42 zone, and then in fact it can trade higher. So let's see how far it can retrace. Stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom after dropping sharp, and it is now signaling little bullishness. RSI turning flat, coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to the 3, as I said, ideally we should wait for 3.4, 3.42 zone to be taken. But what has happened here on the 3 hour chart? See, we have seen a double bottom here, which means a selling entry below 3.33 can be taken. But with the support, it is trying to bounce back, and now once you see it is staying above 3.4, you can say more bullishness should prevail. Now why it is happening? See, after the crossover here in the sell side, now the prices are willing to retrace a little, and that is the phenomena we have seen here. Drop, retracement, bigger the drop, bigger the retracement. How far? We can see it moving towards 3.45, 3.5 zone before reversing. Stochastic rising, MACD is sharply bearish. It is trying to converge, and now I have shared this several times in my preceding updates. See, it has hit the highs, it can cross over and drop, and that is what has happened. RSI rising from the oversold zone. On the 4 hour charts, when you look at on the 4 hour charts, also similar observation. See, right now I can say firm bearish candle, sideways candle, and now if it trades below 3.33, 3.32 zone, you can look forward to a correction here where the prices might take it below 3.3 and towards 3.25 low zone. What is happening here after the drop? It is a retracement, and now a breakout is awaited, which can take it towards 3.45, 3.5 zone. Right now the momentum is missing. The day has just started. Stochastic rising. The MACD has traded sharply bearish, trying for it to converge, crossover, and reverse. I'll wait for a crossover in order to confirm reversal. Remember, after hitting the peak, it has retraced. So now second round of rise can start from here. RSI comfortable, Coming to now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, price is moving towards 50 period and then it has given a gap up here. Now this gap up is very very crucial and I will wait for the next candle because see it is hit 20 period and it is now shying away from it. So if you see it is staying above 3.4, that is the point of time you can say more bullishness should prevail here. While closing in red, the next candle might again start and try to fill the gap here, taking it till towards 3.24, 3.2 zone. Also notice this is a good support zone here from the 50 period moving average. So till 3.2 is not taken, you have to be cautious. Next thing on the daily charts is rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Bigger the rise, bigger the retracement. It is still respecting this bullish channel. So I will say it for the near term, net gas is still not bearish, but for the day we have to wait for it to confirm a breakout. The stochastic oversold, the MACD is crossed over and it is trading with divergence and bearishness and the RSI is comfortable. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 3.37, expect 3.3934 as the first target zone. Then if 3.4 is taken, then 3.4445 should appear and then 3.5. Beyond 3.5 is where the bulls are waiting. You can look forward to 3.5, 3.6 levels as the next targets, and 3.6 is a confirmation of reversal here where $3.94 level should be seen. Chances are less on the for today at least. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3.33 levels. Expect 3.31, 3.28, and if 3.28 is taken, stay short for 3.2425. If any point of time net gets trades below 3.2425, stay short for 3.2, and breaking below 3.2, I think the reversal or the rise will be difficult today, where we are looking forward to 3.1 and $3 levels. Possibly I think it is going to be difficult, but let's see which direction it gives a breakout. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you.